Tres.
Hi, today we are talking about for the idea of sustainability and labor transformation. Hi everyone. Today our group will talk about Unilever, a global consumer goods company that produce brands like Dove, now Rexona and Lipton. We choose Unilever because it's a great example of a company that balance profit and purpose, just like the lecture explained. In the past, Unilever focused than on mainly on business growth and profit. However, over the last decade, it has realized that long-term success depends on caring for people on the planet. In 2010, Unilever launched the Unilever Sustainable Life Plan, a strategy that integrates environmental and social goals in every part of the business. The company now aims to reduce waste, lower carbon emissions, and improve health and well-being through in the products. For example, they use renewable energy in their factories and promote reusable or recycled throughout its products. For example, they use renewable energy in their factories and promote reusable or recycling packing. This shift shows how sustainability has evolved from a marketing to into a core business strategy.
Surely, Unilever has proven that sustainability and profit can actually go hand in hand. One of the best examples in success of Dove and Ben and Jerry's, two Unilever's most sustainable brands. Both promote a strong social and environmental values. Dove supports body positivity and women's self-esteem, while in Ben and Jerry's defends climate justice and fair trade. Intensively, these brands are also the most profitable in the company. That means customers prefer brands that reflect their ethical and environmental values, just as the lecture mentioned about younger customers. Another important initiative is that it reduces plastic waste. Unilever is working to cut use of virgin plastic by 50% by 2025, and it's designing packaging that can be fully reused and recycled. These efforts lower costs in long and strengthen customer loyalty. A clear example of bring well by doing good.
Of course, the lecture introduced the triple bottom line, which measures success through three dimensions: people, planet, and profit. Unilever perfectly demonstrates this model. For people, the company supports fair labor conditions and empowers small farmers and women across its supply chain. For the planet, it uses renewable energy and reduce water consumption and fight the plastic pollution. And for the profit, it continues to grow financially while maintaining ethical and sustainable practices. This balance shows that sustainability is not just about helping the environment, It's about creating long-term value for everyone involved: customers, employees, and investors. To conclude, Unilever's transformation proves that sustainability is now a source of innovation and competitive advantage, not just philanthropy. It's a clear example of how a company can achieve business success while making a positive difference in all the world.
As was mentioned earlier, Unilever has successful connect profile and purpose. Now I like to focus on how innovation plays a major role in that success, especially through the circular economy. The circular economy is about designing products that create zero waste, where materials are reused or recycled instead or thrown away. Unilever has embraced this model by redesigning packaging, investing in retail stations, and developing products that require less water or energy. For example, in some countries, Unilever introduced a refillable deodorant sticks and concentrate cleaning products that reduce plastic use and transport emissions. These innovations not only help the planet, but also lower production costs and attract eco-conscious customers. The company also partners with startups to find new sustainable materials such as plant-based plastic or biodegradable packaging. This proves that sustainability can be driver of creativity and business growth, not a limitation.
The company has thousands of suppliers and farmers around the world. Though through programs like the Unilever Sustainable Agriculture Code, it trains small farmers in eco-friendly techniques, helping them increase productivity and income. Another example is those self-esteem project, which has reached over 1,000 million young people globally and teaches confidence and positivity of body image. And this is a good example of sustainability. Also, inside the company, Unilever promotes diversity, gender equality, and well-being at work. For instance, it ensures fair wages, flexible work schedules, and equal opportunities for leadership positions.
Dale. These policies improve employee motivation and retention, which again supports both purpose and profit. And as also the lecturer mentioned, successful companies today care about human well-being as much as the financial result.
Exactly. Even though Unilever is a leader in the sustainability, it still faces big challenges in the coming years. One challenge is the climate crisis, increasing energy costs, droughts, and supply chain disruptions all affect the production. Another is the consumer behavior. Not everyone is willing to pay more for sustainable products. To respond, Unilever is setting science-based targets to reach net zero emission by 2039. It's also investing heavily in digital technologies like AI and blockchain to track the sustainability progress in real time. Moreover, Unilever is influencing other companies through global alliances such as the World Business Council for the Sustainable Development. In this sense, Unilever is not only adopting but it's shaping the global agenda for sustainable business. To sum up, Unilever future depends on continuing to innovate, empower people, and stay transparent with all the customers that they have around the world.